What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be installing a s366 non-VGT turbo. Let's get right into it.
And she's up.
Fuck yeah.
That middle side backwards. You can take that orange bar. Try pressing it.
Huh?
Oh yeah, the bottom piece needs to go over.
Guys, welcome back to the channel. We've got the turbo installed, and now we're just gonna get some clips. Well, we were trying to get some pictures, but what happened?
See, there's a little red minivan hop on in, right? He's right here. I'm about to pull over right next to Noah, get some good pics. He just fucking whips his ass right in there nice and slow, like just like about, I was trying to do. And now I gotta sit here and wait. I might just sit right here and just,
Camp
wait
it out.
another one.
Yeah, let me show y'all what happened. Right here is where we were trying to get the pictures, where this minivan is. Right when the car pulled out, he was ready to come pull right in there, and boom, the minivan pulls in. What's good? We back at Hattie B's.
Hell yeah.
Now that the parking lot's cleared out, we can actually get some videos. Look at that dude. Look at this dude.
Gotta get that slow walk in there, you know what I'm saying?
Hey, tell him what iPhone you got.
Oh shoot. This is a little iPhone 11. He thinks it don't do too good, but man, you look at my little TikToks, a couple of them are alright, you know what I'm saying? So I'm trying to give me an upgrade because this thing really ain't doing too good.
We out here. Well, that pretty much wraps up the video, guys. I didn't get to film much installing the turbo, just I got wrapped up and everything. But if y'all want to see more of it, just drop it down below and let me know. should be pushing out videos once a week now, and I appreciate all y'all that watch, and we'll catch you on the next one.